So the teams that we've got involved here are people with disabilities, a different team on every day. We eco-source our seeds from the old forest, so we go as a team into the old forest and scrabble around in the ground or pick seeds off the trees, whatever it takes to get a crop together. Robbie works here, sometimes he needs space. He likes water a lot, so having these large areas means that he can go use this hose, water, and that sort of rainbow effect of the water and the sound of the water hissing is very calming to him. So he'll work really intensively. He's a very good worker, but then he'll take himself off and do some hosing for a while, calm himself down. Justin, he'll break a stick and then twirl it. Now Justin understands that we're growing crops. He's seen it from start to finish. He's seen us collecting seed. He's seen us grow the trees and he's seen us plant the trees. So he gets that the trees are for growing and not for breaking.
We're very, very enthusiastic about providing new habitat for the bittern population, which is endangered in this area. We want them to come here in numbers. So our whole program is designed to ensure the food sources are correct for them, that the water depth is appropriate, and they've got adequate cover and protection.
You know, it's sort of 3 years of work sort of all culminating together to link the bird life, you know, the plant, all the plants we've put in, and just the rest of the ecology all coming together to make, you know, what is the wetland.
There are very few opportunities for people with disabilities of this nature to be involved. This is valuable work, real work, and it's really, really appreciated both by the community and by the people doing the work.
With the funding that we're getting from the 1 Billion Trees program, it means that we're able to establish other areas where we're growing on more trees. We can have different teams that are coming in to help grow that. It means that the work that we do here can expand. We need to expand actually in order to be able to stand on our own 2 feet ultimately.
My name is Catherine. I love popping up. I love coming out here. I come out 1 day a week.
Probably the initial challenge was to get it all into a situation where we could do planting. So, you know, a lot of invasive pest species and things like that all needed to be cleared up. We've probably trapped and got rid of at least maybe 150 different pests.
The ferrets and the mice and the rats normally step on. Once we pull that, the thing goes down and they'll think, oh, that looks nice, and they did.
The 1 Billion Trees program gives us a great opportunity to boost the areas of wetland that we're developing. We're left with only something like 5% of the original wetlands available, and this will give us the opportunity to double and treble that. So we've managed to plant in the vicinity of 15,000 trees in the last little bit, but over the next year or 2 years and 3 years we anticipate we'll do 20, 30, 40,000 trees and greatly expand the wetland available for habitat for our endangered species in the Ahuriri estuary. Our advice to anyone seeking to do similar work is to go and talk to your local council, regional council, talk to the Department of Conservation, talk to Forest and Bird, talk to everyone that has an interest in this, and bring them on board.